Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Explorer PJ set. Ooh, comes vacuum packed like this. So top and bottom. The top actually looks quite similar to this, where there is a hoodie, a tie string, it's off the shoulder, and the front and back are all the same, and there are no pockets. The bottom is the same exact fabric, front and back are once again the same, and then on the bottom it's cuffed. So let me go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I officially look like Cookie Monster, and I love it. So this is the sleeves, super fuzzy. Let me show you with the hood on. Like that. So it goes all the way down, so it's not a crop top. The bottoms have pockets. This is what the bottoms look like. If you would like to purchase this, it comes in all sorts of different colors. Check out the links below. And for more product reviews, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.